So yeah, another adventure of life living. Um, I've been working so hard lately. I just haven't really had the time because when I'm not working, I'm either eating, sleeping, or trying to talk with family and spending time with my little puppy dog before our next big adventure, which will be coming soon. So now today is the actual cleaning and getting my house ready because we'll be on a quite an adventure coming up. So I won't say no more about that because if I say any more about that, then I'll give it away, and I don't want to do that. I want to keep it rolling. So, but now that harvest is over and everything is put away and washed and another year done. Um, Now, next thing will be getting ready for this big adventure that we're going on. Um, so I'll keep you posted. Just giving you a quick update on how things look now, and well, I'll 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 go and show you what it's going to look like when done. So I'm not yet going to do something like a cleaning video and all that right now. I just want to get this done. As time goes on, I'll do a cleaning video if y'all want to watch a cleaning video. But I just want to show you what things look like when you work too hard and you just don't feel like cleaning or just don't have the time to clean. Um, as we all know, things get to be a disaster. So, all right, well, stay tuned, and I'll show you the clean version when done. Okay, when cleaning house, you've been working too hard when your actual house really starts to look like this. It's a disaster. Um, so this is what I'll be doing today is cleaning and organizing my house, which I've started. Everything's a mess in here, but and all the stuff that was in there is all sitting out here. So this is yeah, it's a it's a wreck. I have really neglected my house for quite some time, but yeah. So this is what my place looks like because it's been neglected. And here we go. Um, we have finally got things organized. I built a nice little box here. Um, Put cedar shavings in for my toilet. And I went and took and cleaned up all the floor. Everything's all nice and neat and packed away. And then on top of that, you want to see here in the front, it's all nice and clean, organized. I even organized all my stuff there. So it's all nice and organized now. So that is what it looks like being all nice and clean. So it's all organized and clean and everything's put away. The food's all stacked nice and neat. So that concludes us of our nice, clean, organized van, which is my home. So that will wrap it up for the clean, nice van that you see now to from what it was before. A dirty, messed up van that hadn't been cleaned in a while because I'd been so busy working and I got time to actually clean it. So till the next time when we start our trip, and we'll go from there. I won't say no more. Catch you all on the flip side.